Welcome to Ecoleave, online leave management system. This tutorial is about an approval tutorial where the employer can approve their employees' leave online. After log in the system, you will see a calendar on the right-hand side that show you the public holiday and employee staff leave. When you scroll down, you can see a table of pending list. In this table, you can approve or reject your employee's leave. On the left-hand side of the page, there will be an approval option located there. This approval option contained 5 different tasks. This included dashboard, approve or reject option, apply on behalf, print report, and lastly the send message option. Now, I will show you how to approve and reject your employee's leave. To approve or cancel your employee's leave, you may need to click on the approve and reject option. Once again, the system will then show the status of the employee's leave. To approve the particular leave day of the employee, please tick the box and click on the Approve button. After click on the Approve button, a notification box will pop up. Then click on the OK button to proceed. Now, the status of the employee's leave day will then change to approved status. To reject the leave application, please tick and click on the Reject button. Then click on the OK button to proceed. After that, type in the rejection reason and click on the OK button. Now, the status of the employee's leave day will then change to rejected status. To cancel employee leave application, just tick and click on the Cancel button. After that, a message box will pop up. Click on OK button to proceed. Give out your cancellation reason, and click on the OK button to proceed. Lastly, the approved status of the employee would now change to cancel status. Now, I will show you how an employer can apply leave for an employee. Click on Apply on Behalf. Search for the employee you want to apply leave for. After that, make sure the employee name is correct. Then, select leave type. Select half day or full day. Select leave start date. Select leave end date. After that, click on the Choose File button to submit employee's medical leave. Lastly, give your reason and click on the Apply button. Now, I will show you how to view report. Click on Print Report. In the report, It consists of the employee's detailed leave information. To download the report in PDF or XLS format, just tick on the box and click on the icon on the right-hand side. If there are too much leave application in your organization, you can also use the filter option to search for employees' leave. After filled in all the information, just click on the Apply button. Then, the table will show the result you are searching for. And you can tick and click on the icon to download the file in either PDF or XLS format. Lastly, I will show you how to send a message or announcement to the employee. Click on Send Message. Select the branch that you want to send message. Select the department of the branch. Select category of the department. Select the employee that you want to send message to. Type out the message you want to send. Select an expiry date and then click on the Apply button. For more information, call us now at 6032148767 or www.ecoleave.com.